the internet has transformed how we shop. E-commerce is booming, presenting incredible opportunities for businesses of all sizes. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is crucial for success. The wrong choice can lead to frustration and lost revenue. Two popular options are Shopify and HostGator. Each offers a unique approach to building and managing your online store. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses is essential. This knowledge will help you make an informed decision. Pick the platform that aligns with your business goals and technical expertise. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform. It offers a user-friendly interface and a comprehensive set of tools. Shopify simplifies building, launching, and managing your online store. With over 4.4 million live websites using its platform, Shopify is popular for its ease of use. It offers a 14-day free trial, letting you test the platform before committing. Shopify caters to a wide range of businesses and is particularly popular among small to medium-sized enterprises. By handling the technical complexities, Shopify allows you to focus on growing your business. HostGator is a well-established hosting provider that offers a variety of hosting plans. These plans cater to different needs and budgets. HostGator provides the infrastructure for your website, giving you the flexibility to choose your preferred e-commerce solution. It offers affordable shared hosting options, making it a good choice for startups and small businesses. You can install WordPress and WooCommerce, allowing you to build a customized e-commerce website. HostGator gives you more control over your website. You are responsible for managing technical aspects, including security and software updates. HostGator is a good option if you are comfortable with web development. Section 4. Shopify versus HostGator. A side-by-side comparison. Shopify and HostGator offer distinct approaches to e-commerce. Shopify is an all-in-one platform. It provides everything you need to launch and manage an online store. HostGator, on the other hand, is a hosting provider. It gives you the flexibility to build your e-commerce website from scratch. Let's look at a few key features. In terms of ease of use, Shopify offers a beginner-friendly drag-and-drop interface, while HostGator requires technical knowledge and a more hands-on setup. When it comes to features, Shopify includes built-in e-commerce tools and an app store for extensions, whereas HostGator relies on third-party integrations for e-commerce functionality. Regarding pricing, Shopify operates on subscription-based, tiered plans, while HostGator offers hosting plans, domain registration, and potential add-on costs. Support is available 24/7 with Shopify, but varies by hosting plan with HostGator. Overall, Shopify excels in ease of use, offering a seamless experience. HostGator, however, provides flexibility and affordability, though it requires more technical expertise. Section 5. Finding your perfect match. Which platform is right for you? Choosing between Shopify and HostGator depends on your needs. Shopify is ideal for businesses seeking a user-friendly and hassle-free solution, especially true if you lack technical expertise. On the other hand, HostGator is a better option if you require more customization and have web development skills, allowing for greater control over your website's design and functionality. Consider your budget, technical skills, and long-term goals. Carefully evaluate each platform's strengths and weaknesses to ensure you find the perfect match for your e-commerce aspirations.